There are two main ways to add apps and extensions to your Chromebook. And you do that by either going to the Chrome Web Store or the Google Play Store. And so we're going to take a look at how to add apps from both of these resources. So we're going to first take a look at the Chrome Web Store. So when you go to the Chrome Web Store, again, it was in that short list for me. But if you go to your app launcher here and you go to all apps, you can find it in there. Everyone has that already installed. So once you're in the Chrome Web Store, the best place to go is over here on the left-hand side where it says forredmondschools.org, because that is a list of apps and extensions that are there for install by students. And so any app or extension in here, students can install on their device. If there's a need for an app or an extension to be added to this list, the best way to do that is to let teachers know, so teachers can then let the technology department know that we need to take a look at it and add it to this list. So to add one of these apps, like maybe I wanted to add this Vernier graphical analysis app on my Chromebook, all I do is I hit the add to Chrome button here, and I'm going to add the app. And it takes just a few seconds, and it'll be done. And there it is. And now I have that app on my device. And so if I was to open my app launcher again, I can see that the app is right there, ready to use. So now let's take a look at the Google Play Store. I have the Google Play Store, app pinned to my taskbar. You may not. You may again have to go in and find it in your all apps, so you can find it here. But when you go to Google Play, you're already in an environment where it's showing you the apps that are pre-approved for you to install. So from this list, you can install anything. Again, if there's a need for an Android app that would work well on the Chromebook, again, let a teacher know so then they can let the technology department know. But very similar to the Chrome Web Store, if I wanted to choose an app to install, so maybe I'm going to install, Soccerdiv, because we use that in class. I just have to click on it, and it's going to take me to where I can install it. Click install and let it do its thing. Depending on the size of the app, like that one's pretty small, it installed that fast, and I can open it, or again, it's going to be here in all my apps. So we use the Google Play Store and the Chrome Web Store to install apps on our Chromebooks.